Structure of an informational or factual text. This is Louisa. She is an architect. An architect is a person who designs buildings, but today, architect Louisa will help us design some informational texts. The way an informational text is designed is called text structure. Ways of designing a text. Description. A text written using this structure provides details and characteristics about the topic. Keywords used are, for example, like and to illustrate. It answers questions like, what is being described? What is it like? What is important to remember? Example. Architects are people who design buildings. They create blueprints and plan the look of the building. The text structure of the statement above is description, because it answers question, what is being described? Two. Sequence. A text written using this structure provides a sequence of events or steps in a process. Keywords used are first, next, then, finally, after, before, during, now, last, in the middle, and at the end. It answers the questions. What events or steps do I take? What do I do next? Do they always happen in this order? Example. First, an architect comes up with an idea. Then, he puts it down on a paper in a form of a blueprint. The text structure of the statement above is sequence, because it answers question, what events or steps happened, and used keyword first and then. Three. Compare and contrast. A text written using this structure discusses the similarities and differences between two or more topics. Keywords used are both, same as, similar to, different from, in contrast, in comparison, alike, on the other hand, neither, unlike, and just like. It answers the questions. What two things are being compared? How are they similar? How are they different? Example. Architects and engineers both design buildings. However, an architect focuses on the look and feel, while an engineer focuses on whether the design is safe and sound. The text structure of the statement above is compare, contrast, because it answers question, what two things are being compared, and use the keyword both. 4. Problem and solution. A text written using this structure tells about a problem and looks for solutions. Keywords used are the question is, to solve this, the problem is, the solution is, issue, cause, fix, solve, therefore, as a result, leads to, since, and so. It answers the questions. What is the problem? How can we solve it? Example. The architect's design does not fit in with the rest of the plans. He could change the color of the design and create a new one. The text structure of the statement above is problem, solution, because it answers question. What is the problem? How can we solve it? Five. Cause and effect. A text written using this structure tells about something that happened and why it happened. Keywords used are as a result, because of, since, so, consequently, due to, so then, and therefore. It answers the questions. What happened? Why did it happen? What caused it to happen? What was the effect? Example. The architect's plan would require them to go over the budget. As a result, they had to cut out some of the special design features. The text structure of the statement above is cause, effect, because. It answers question. What happened? What was the effect? Activity 1. Directions. Reads the passages. Identify the structure of the text used by writing the letter of the word that corresponds to your answer. 1. In our garage, a spider makes a cobweb. It goes in and out, around and around. Every morning, the cobweb is there. 2. The family had to move because Jana's mom got a new job in the city. 3. Flip and Flap are two jolly elves. Flip was very tall and thin while Flap was short and stout, so they looked an odd pair. 4. Emily went out into her yard. It was dry out in her yard. It had not rained yet for days and days. The trees, flowers, and grass needed the rain. Emily got her magic wand and turned herself into a cloud so she could water the plants. Five. It was early in the morning. Kate woke up hungry. She got dressed. Then, she went in the kitchen. She got a small pan and cooked some egg and dried fish. After, Kate put some rice on a plate and ate with a glass of milk. Activity 2. Directions. Match column A to column B. Activity 3. Directions. Read the story below and answer what is being asked. Activity 3. Directions. Read the story below and answer what is being asked.